Hello friends, this is your friend Rahul from techblogcorner.com, and today in this video I'm going to tell you the 10 new features Telegram just added in 2021. So stay tuned with me till the end of the video. Let's get started. The very first feature Telegram just launched in this new update is Voice Chat Room. This feature allows users to convert their Telegram group into a voice chat room and then freely move around while remaining connected. Next in the list is fast loading stickers. Recently, the cloud-based app optimized the animated sticker on the platform, which load the stickers much faster. Another feature of this new update is improved editing tools. Telegram has enhanced editing tools. Users can now edit the photos, add effects and drawing with the help of the media editor tool. Next in the list is more animated emoji. With the latest update, Telegram has expanded its library for animated emoji, bringing more options to the users. Another amazing update of this update is SD card storage. Android users can now move their app data from internal storage to external SD card. Next amazing feature is chat folders. Telegram allows its users to classify their chat in different folders. To create chat folders, you can select the folders options given in the settings menu. Next feature from the list is custom themes. Users can select a background of their choice on Telegram now. From the chat settings, they can choose the themes and color options. Next in the list is MultiDevice Support. The app allows users to log in from as many devices as they want at the same time. One just needs to enter a mobile number at the time of their sign-in. Another feature from the list is schedule a message. Yes, now you can schedule a message at a particular time. In order to schedule a message, users just have to type the message and long press the send button icon, and then you will see the schedule message button. Just press on it and schedule your time. Last feature from the list but not the least. Just like WhatsApp, they have launched the live location feature. Now users can share their live location by tapping on the attach icon and then selecting the option share my location. That's all guys. I hope you like the features that Telegram has just recently launched in 2021. If you like my video, keep subscribing my channel for the latest tech news. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.